The Larson Electronics heavy-duty military spider box transformer is an Army dark green unit that converts three-phase 208-volt AC Wye electrical current into three-phase 240-volt AC Wye. For robust protection, the NEMA 3R rated spider box is protected by a rugged cage. This stackable transformer is impact, weather, chemical, and shock resistant. The housing carries a NEMA 3R enclosure rating for use in indoor, outdoor, wet, and dry locations. Mounting legs on the base keep the Army dark green spider box upright and above wet or rough surfaces. This unit is suitable for indoor or outdoor applications, including but not limited to construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.